You know what? I need to confess something that might destroy your illusions about sophisticated desserts, but somebody has to say it. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Let's talk about French silk pie. It's elegant, sophisticated dessert. It makes you feel like you're treating yourself to something special, something refined, something distinctly adult. You order it at a nice restaurant and you feel fancy. You bring it to a dinner party and suddenly you're the person with taste, with class, culinary discernment. Except here's the truth bomb that I'm about to drop on ya. French silk pie is just chocolate pudding in a crust. That's it. That's the whole game. And before you come at me in the comments, by the way, let me explain. My so-called love affair with French silk pie, it's not a love affair at all. It's the same relationship I had with chocolate pudding as a kid, just with a fancier name on it and a pie shell. Listen, we've all been fooled into thinking we've matured, that our palates have evolved, that we've graduated to more sophisticated desserts. But no, we're just eating our childhood comfort food with a fork instead of a spoon and pretending it's different. Think about it. What is French silk pie? It's a smooth, creamy chocolate filling. What's chocolate pudding? A smooth, creamy chocolate filling. The texture? Identical. The flavor? The same chocolatey goodness. The way it makes you feel inside? Like a kid who just got dessert before dinner and got away with it. The only real differences are the crust, which, let's be honest, is just a vehicle for the chocolate anyway. And the fact that someone put the word French in front of it, because apparently adding French to anything actually makes it sound sophisticated. French toast, it's fancy. French fries, French silk, oh la la, now we're living. But strip away the pretense. Take away the graham cracker crust or whatever fancy pastry shell it's sitting in, and what do you have? A bowl of chocolate pudding. Hey, Chocolate, we didn't have any chocolate pudding in the fridge. Anyway, that's a different story. It's the same stuff you ate out of those little plastic containers with peel-off lids. The same stuff your mom made from the box mix. It's the same stuff that Bill Cosby used to sell. Well, I'm just going to forget about that one for a minute. And you know what? There's no shame in this. If you love French silk pie, embrace what it really is. You love chocolate pudding. You've always loved chocolate pudding. You will always love chocolate pudding. We've just decided somewhere along the way that we'll call it pie, and that'll make it appropriate for adult dinner parties. It's the culinary equivalent of carrying your money in a wallet instead of your sock. It's not a different thing. It's just the grown-up thing. Here's the question for all of you. What other adult foods are just rebranded childhood favorites? Because I'm pretty sure that we're all out there lying to ourselves about more than just French silk pie. Let me know in the comments, because I'm wondering if it'll blow my mind how many of my childhood foods I'm eating as adults. And let's really examine this for a second. When you order French silk pie, what are you craving? Rich, velvety chocolate texture that melts in your mouth? Comforting sweetness? Pure chocolate satisfaction? You know what else gives you all that? A snack pack. A freaking snack pack pudding cup that costs 99 cents at a grocery store. But we can't just order a pudding cup at a restaurant, can we? That would be weird. That would make us look like children. So instead, we've collectively agreed to put the exact same thing in a pie crust, call it French, charge $12 for it, and make it acceptable. It's genius marketing, really. Someone somewhere figured out that adults would pay premium prices for their childhood favorites as long as you dressed them up and gave them a fancy name, and we all fell for it, every single one of us. Now, I'm not saying that French silk pie is bad. Obviously, it's not bad. It's chocolate pudding, and chocolate pudding is objectively delicious. What I am saying is that we need to stop pretending we've evolved beyond our childhood dessert preferences, because we haven't. We've just gotten better at justifying them. Oh, I'll have the French silk pie. It's so rich and decadent. Yeah, rich and decadent. You know what else is rich and decadent? Chocolate pudding. Same energy, same dessert, different presentation. So here's my challenge, and go ahead, prove me wrong. Seriously, prove me wrong. Explain to me how French silk pie is fundamentally different from chocolate pudding in any meaningful way. I'll just wait here. I'm waiting for the comments to come in to prove that. And when you can't come up with a good answer, because there isn't one, maybe we can just admit that we're adults who never stopped loving pudding. So the next time you order French silk pie, just remember, you're the kid who loved chocolate pudding. You've never changed. You just got taller and used better plates. Peter Von Panda, out.